Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Mhatre. I am a student of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. In this video, I am going to talk about the country as a Romania.
This is a map of Romania. Romania, located in southeastern Europe.
The national flag of Romania is the three-color with the vertical stripes, blue, yellow and red. The capital of Romania is Bucharest. It is the largest city in terms of area and population. The currency of Romania is Romanian leu. In Romania, there are several spoken languages. Besides Romanian, the countrywide official language, other spoken languages are spoken and sometimes co-official at a local level. Some language includes Romani, Germany, Russian, Turkish, Serbian. Let's know about the fact of Romania. The first one is the name of Romania comes from a Latin word Romanus, which means citizens of Romanian Empire. The parliament place in Romanian capital of Bucharest is the second largest building in the world behind only Pentagon. Point is, Romanian was source of inspiration for two very famous novels, The Castle in the Carpathians by Jules Verne and Dracula by Bram Stoker.
Let's talk about three major cities in Romania country.
Bucharest is the largest city in Romania and is the capital, culture, industrial and financial center of the country. There has been an economic and industrial boom in the city in recent past. Currently, the city has an estimated population of 1.8 million residents. The quality of Bucharest is not appealing. Constanta. Constanta is the oldest continuously inhabited city in the country after being formed in 600 BC. It has a population of 283,872 people, which make it the fifth largest city in the country by population. Constanta is the coastal town and receives the largest number of tourists annually. In 1930, during the interwars, the city was country commercial hub, like many coastal cities. Lassi. The city is the culture capital of Romania and is a symbol of Romanian history. It is a home to country's oldest university and the first engineering school. The, when the biggest city in Romania is the home to some of oldest churches and monasteries which date back to more than 500 years ago.
Let's know about five tourist destinations in Romania country.
Carvin Castle. It is also known as the Hyundai Castle after a high-ranking official who built it. Carvin Castle is a fairy tale castle that is assisted by wooden bridge that bears a statue of St. John of Nepomuk, the Puritan saint of bridge. Ravan wearing a gold ring is a symbol of a 15th century castle. Poiana Brașov. It is the most popular ski resort in Romania that also draws skis from all over Europe. Located in the Carpathian Mountains, the ski resort has a seven slopes that offer a combined 25 kilometers of skiing. The resort also hosts competitive alpine skiing and figure skating events. Weser Valley Forest Railway. The Weser Valley Forest Railway has been in operation since 1932 when it was used to haul logs from the forest to the mill. Today it was hauls tourists who like the romance of old, narrow gauge trains traveling through pretty tree-filled landscape. Wooden churches of Maramus. When foreign rulers of Maramus refused to let the people build long-lasting stone churches, they turned to wood instead. They built about 300 wood churches over a 200-year period. Only about 100 of these churches remain in use today. Churches usually with tall, slim bell towers reflected an advanced degree of caravan. Bran Castle. Bran Castle is often associated with Dracula as his home, though there is no indication that author Bram Stoker even knew of this medieval castle. The castle, a Romanian landmark, has a fairy tale quality, picking out from the forested a hillside near a Bravaso.
Let's talk about 5 famous dishes of Romania country.
Romanian Easter bread. It is a traditional Romanian Christmas bread. It is filled with nuts, coca, and citrus.
Romanian crepes. It is a type of very thin pancakes. It is a mixture of milk, egg, sugar, flour, vanilla, salt, oil, and butter.
Sweet pepper salad. Sweet pepper salad is a mixture of green pepper, sweet red pepper, red onion, lemon zest, red wine vinegar, canola oil, sugar, fresh basil, salt, and pepper. Sour meatball soup. Sour meatball soup is a mixture of beef stock, onion, parsley leaves, parsnip, carrot, paprika, ground meat, plain breadcrumbs, small onions, uncooked rice, water, salt, pepper, tomato paste, and salt.
Romanian stuffed cabbage. It is a type of cabbage roll. The cooked cabbage leaves wrap around variety of filling.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you are enjoy it.